Engineers India is next booming stock we can see in the space of the PSU stocks. If you want to make a really uh, a good take on the PSU baskets, this will be the next stock we should be looking it for. So we can see the Engineers India, it has completed a nice accumulation from 2020, the last year, and right now it is at 52 weeks high, and also it has made nice bullish engulfing at these 2 points you can see over here. So it has made a nice bullish engulfing over here, and also we need to see that it is at a nice breakout region, and these are the two bullish engulfing over here and this over here. So two bullish engulfing patterns, so that will be really useful for us in the breakout. And also the, if you look at the trend lines, as we can see in the monthly breakout in the monthly charts, you can see this is a perfect spot for us for finding a breakout. This is the bullish engulfing and this another bullish engulfing, two bullish engulfings we can see back to back in this particular consolidation zone. So from 2020 to 21 we have a nice consolidation. Just watch out for these levels, and it's trying to cross above this trend line, and this is a supporting trend line we have. It's a nice textbook move performed by Engineers India. Right now the PSU stocks are performing well, and you can bet upon Engineers India to have a good risk to reward ratio. You can enter over once it is broken up over here. You can have a nice risk to reward ratio. You can put a stop loss somewhere over here, and you can get a nice breakout over there. The target will be something over there, and this is a what will be the another interesting character is it is also at a convergence of this trend line. So the trend line from the top, which is the previous fall from the 2019, it's a beautiful trend line of downfall, and even that trend fall is at the same time you can see. You can expect a nice upward view over here. And coming to the volume side, we have the volumes are also increasing from the 2022 now right now, and the volumes are also at high. And another interesting thing is, even though the selling volume is very high, you can see that it is not closing below this trend line, right? It's a nice support, and didn't close below this trend line. So that's what interesting character of Engineers India. And once you have taken the positions, long position of something like this, you can take if you are taking the long somewhere over 90, you can always have the stop loss over here below this candle, and the target first target will be this particular high. So why this particular high? In the sense, we have a beautiful resistance coming from the previous months. And also if you look at the volume profile chart, you can find out easily. I'm just putting up the volume profile over here on the monthly chart. You'll be getting somewhere around 150. So that can be your second target for Engineers India. So that will be a good risk to reward ratio. You can have that around. So what would be the risk reward ratio? Which will be around 3. So that's an interesting character over here, 3.5 risk to reward. You can just trail the stop loss. That will be the good thing to do instead of just holding to the stock. Okay, so don't forget to trail the stop loss. It's a beautiful trend line, and if even if the weekly time frames right now, what's happening is it's not closing below this channel. So it's again each every time you can see the complete moving, it's trying going up, and it's trying to break the resistance, and I think it would be breaking up somewhere over here, and it would be making the up move something like this. So that is what my view on Engineers India. Try to catch it early and monitor them long, and trail the stop loss. Don't forget to trail the stop loss. That will be the really good thing on weekly time frame. And on the monthly time frame, you can find the POC around 152. 152 is the second target, but first target is around 135, 130, 137, somewhere over here, this resistance level.